Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word racket. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Children were playing tennis, and their loud voices made it difficult for me to focus on my work. It was quite a racket. In this sentence, racket refers to a disturbance or loud noise caused by the children playing tennis, making it hard for someone to concentrate on their work. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.